Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. Hi, this is Kathie from Craft with Kathie. Thank you for joining me this evening. I want to show you this little kit and ask basically an opinion. I had another project actually planned for tonight, and unfortunately I didn't measure something properly, and I just kind of guessed, and I'll show you about it. What the heck, right? I'm going to take these little glasses from the store where everything's 1 1/4, and I am going to faux etch them. And you could actually you could really etch them if you want, but I'm going to faux etch them, and I'm going to put candles inside. Unfortunately, the glasses are about 3 inches in diameter, probably just slightly under it. Actually, I should have measured it, right, instead of guessing it. Yeah, they're about 3 inches in diameter, but with the actual thickness of the glass, it actually ends up being a little bit more narrow. So probably 2 3/4 inch pillar candles would work, or maybe 2 1/2. Well, I ordered 3 inch. So I said, oops, I can't get the candles in but about 1 1/2 inches. So I have different candles coming tomorrow, and hopefully then I could go forward on that project. I'm sorry, excuse me, I digress. I'm coming at you from the suburbs west of Chicago, and I am just so excited to show you this. I've had it sitting around for, probably more than 2 weeks, and I have to admit, I'm not intimidated. I just can't make up my mind. I know that sounds crazy, but I can't, and I think you'll understand where I'm coming from. This is the ChalkMade Nativity Kit, and it is absolutely gorgeous. People in our group have done it in many different ways. This is the instructions that it comes with, and it generally, the idea behind it is to create it. The pieces are all whitewashed. They're wood. They're substantial, believe me. And the idea is to just use our gold shimmer paste. Comes with gold shimmer paste instructions, a small squeegee, which is substantially larger than the mini squeegee, and just basically apply the paste using these transfers. The transfers are very detailed, and they're beautiful. I'll give you a little bit more of a close-up look at them. I actually have opened this up and borrowed the star for a different project and used it to do some other things. But look at that camel, and the wise men, and the donkey. It's absolutely, it's a beautiful, beautiful set. We have Mary and Joseph, and then there's the set with the manger and baby Jesus and the star that I've used a little bit, to say the least. So it's beautiful, and it's very, very detailed, and if you could see some of the designs on the individual pieces, they're all different, but it's just absolutely beautiful. So the concept behind it was just do it with the gold shimmer paste, and go with that. But you know how designers are. Sometimes they think a little bit outside the box. And actually, I have a little video in my VIP group of a couple different formats that people have used to create this nativity set. And honestly, I keep vacillating between doing them gold or kind of using the technique that I used on the nutcrackers to make them look like stained wood, or to actually coloring them. It's like I have to make up my mind because, Christmas is coming. I got to get moving on this. Let me take it out of the box so you could actually get a look at some of these pieces. And yes, I am struggling a bit here. It's a little heavy. Whoa. I said it was substantial, and I wasn't kidding, was I? Look at this. The stable is 16. Well, I can't see where the top is. I'm thinking by 12. It's large. It's big. The actual pieces are big. But isn't this absolutely amazing? It's a beautiful set. Let me take out some of the individual pieces so you can take a look at them. But I'm just like, I'm not intimidated. I just can't decide which way I want to go with it. So tell me what you think. Should I do them just in the gold images on top of the white, using just the transfers? Should I make them look like a stained dark wood? Should I maybe color each piece? Like color the clothing and color the faces, and then maybe put the gold design on top of it? What would you do if you were making this for your home? What would you want it to look like? I mean, this set is destined to become a family heirloom. It's that beautiful. Of course, I have to get it done. There was a time that I was actually looking for, I think it was, well, I don't remember the brand, and I probably shouldn't say it anyway, but a set that was just in white, but that was made out of porcelain for a while, and actually never actually got that. And I saw this, and it was like, it was a no-brainer for me. Of course, I just jumped at it. See if I can move this out of the way a little bit. Obviously, this is a camel. Maybe I'll put all the animals in one area. A cow. And these are, they're pretty much like our regular cutouts. They're 3/4 of an inch thick, so they stand fine. They're nice, like I said, substantial, heavy. And you know what, I need to lay them down, otherwise you can't really see what I've got out here. Here's the baby Jesus. Mary. Ooh, I think this is a donkey. I don't have room for all of this. So the set is a little bit larger than I was thinking initially, but it is just so beautiful that I can't wait to start it, but I have to decide what way I'm going. Do I want to do it the traditional, the way that it was intended, or do I want to add a little bit extra to it? I'm just not quite sure where I want to go with that. Oh, I was wrong. I think this is Mary and this is Joseph. Whoops. Anyway. And then, of course, there's a star to go on top. I don't know if you could, I'm off camera here. Let's see. It fits on top like this. So, I mean, how beautiful, oops, there, star overboard. How beautiful is this? I know exactly where I'm going to put it. I just have to decide on how I'm going to chalk it. So, if you would be kind enough to share with me what your thoughts are on it to help me come to some kind of consensus and decide which direction I'm going with this, because I love to get going on it. Obviously, I think I'm going to have to do this in a couple pieces, maybe the manger one day and the Holy Family one day, and then maybe the animals and, you know, whatever else, the wise men and everything. I'm not sure what I could do, and I suppose I could use a different technique or a different, I know this goes this way, different format for each or whatever. I just don't know. So if you have any suggestions of what you think, if you haven't seen them, I'll take the video that's in my VIP group and I will post it in the Craft with Kathie group so you could see some of the different techniques. But if you would take a look at them and tell me what you think, which way would you go? I mean, this is such a beautiful, detailed set, and the transfers are just awesome. If you missed me at the beginning, I displayed them. They come with, the transfers I think are 2 sheets that are 18 by 18. And there's just so many different directions to go. I'm stymied, I guess is the right word for it. Hey Deb, I was just showing the Nativity, the ChalkMade Nativity set. It comes with a 3-ounce jar of gold shimmer paste and a small squeegee, and then of course the 2 sets of transfers. It's kind of hard to, everything's so large, it's kind of hard to get it on camera. But they're very detailed, and what I'm trying to decide, I've already used the star. I've taken it and used it on another project a few times. I needed a star and I couldn't find, I had something from last year and I couldn't find it. So I'm trying to decide what format. In theory, the company designed it so all you have to do is use this transfer, apply the shimmer gold paste, and that's it. And it is actually beautiful in that format. However, I've seen different ways that it's been used, one of which is coloring all the figurines and, of course, the stable and everything to make it look like a deeper stained wood, and just using either the gold on top of that or our shimmer, I can't think of what it's called, our black shimmer paste, which has a little bit of shine and sparkle on top of it, or actually coloring in like the clothing in the face, probably, and then coloring in, you know, the animals or the clothing, and then laying the transfer on top of the colored figurines, and then putting the gold over it, which I think sounds pretty good. It's just, I have to decide what format I'm going for, and I just can't seem to decide. So I'm going to I have a video in the VIP group. Take a look at it. It's from a few days ago. It says Nativity Kit, and it shows a bunch of different formats that people have used, different creative ideas that they've come up with to actually amplify the beauty of this kit. I will post it in the Craft with Kathie page so everyone can take a look at it there. But drop me a line and tell me what you think. How would you do it if it was your kit? What would you do? Would you go with the plain, simple, straightforward gold on white like this? Or would you use the colors with the gold transfer overlay and everything for the detail? Or would you just stain it all in brown? I don't know. I need to decide what to do. Or would you use a combo on the different pieces? Let me know what your thoughts are. I surely appreciate your opinions. And once I come to some conclusion here, then at least I could move forward on this. And I know it's already December, so I need to kind of get going on it, right? Because it is, there's 13 pieces altogether. Or 14, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I lost count. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces altogether. And like I said, they're good size. I mean, this is 7 by 3.5, 3.25. And it's huge and it's beautiful. And I just, like I said, help me decide. Drop your comments. I really do appreciate it. Tomorrow, look for the candles with the faux glass etching. Like I said, I'm going to show you a really cool way to do some faux etching, and it works right in with our special right now. We do have our individual packets of paste on sale for our first day of Christmas that started 2 days ago, because today's day 3. They're $1 a packet, and we have our, well, I'm not going to give away what I'm going to use. You'll find out tomorrow. But basically, it's on sale for $1. So between that and a transfer, you can create these faux etched candle holders. Nice way to kind of introduce yourself to chalking or whatever. It's a nice economical way, and the finished product would make a really sweet gift for someone. So that's tomorrow's live. Tonight, I just wanted to show you the thing, ask for your opinions. Let me know what you think, and then I'll go from there. And also, I'm looking for a little feedback with, let me grab these. I have them sitting out here because I'm waiting to do something on them, and I haven't. On the nutcrackers in a pastel or with the wood look. I'm not done with the pastel one yet. I have to add the candies. And I'm probably going to add a little facial hair and some hair and a couple other things. So I'm going to make this a little bit differently. But if you're interested in seeing the pastels, let me know. And then maybe I'll do them on a live. So thank you so much for watching. I surely do appreciate it. I hope you have a great Sunday evening. And I will see you soon.